I bought a Rolex Skydweller 2023 for £36,000 from retail. Now, why am I doing this video? To show you guys multiple ways that you can use property to buy things like this that are investments. So let's get straight into it, guys. Here it is, the 18 karat gold Rolex Skydweller Oyster Flex. It is one of my dream watches, the holy grail, top tier, god tier. This is the watch. Just look at that, guys. Look how amazing that is. It is absolutely incredible. And the best thing about this watch is that it's not full 18 karat gold with the bracelet. It's 18 karat gold on the watch itself, 18 karat gold on the adjuster at the back and the clasp, and then you have the rubber band, which is the Oyster Flex, which makes it super, super comfortable. Now, the Skydweller is the most complicated watch Rolex have ever made, and it tells the time in 2 locations, and it also has the date and the time, obviously. 4 functions, simple to use. You turn the bezel and you can use different functions. But most of all, it's just bad. It's just eye-catching. It's just incredible. What a watch. When this is on your wrist, it is super eye-catching. And I am absolutely over the moon that I have this in my collection today. Now, £36,000 is what this retails for. Super investments for the future. And yes, the watch market is up and down, and these are probably not fetching this at retail. You know, you probably get £1,000 cheaper in the grey market. But when you have an account with Rolex, it gives you credibility. It opens doors. You wear a watch like this to an event, and people automatically start talking to you. So they are much more than just an investment, as in money-wise. They are an investment in your network, and you know how important it is to have the right network. I have an unbelievable network, and I am the owner of the property circle. So that network in itself in the property world is sensational. But when I go to events at Lamborghini, when I go to events at Ferrari, when I'm still invited, I have a conversation piece, basically. They're like, Steve, that watch is incredible. What year? Where did you get it from? How did you get your AD to give you one? Just an easy way to start a conversation. Now, going back to the price again, £36,000. If you're a deal sourcer, every deal you source can be around £1,500 to £4,000 or £5,000. So if you do the maths, it can be anything from 20 deals to 10 deals, 5 deals if you're doing higher like development kind of deals, and you can actually save enough money after you've paid your tax, of course, to buy something like this. If you're a property trader and you use auctions, again, guys, you could probably trade 1 or 2 properties or a piece of land or a commercial to residential and be able to afford one of these. Or if you put the effort in over a few years and you've built up a decent portfolio and your capital appreciation has gone up, you pulled some money out and you want to treat yourself, well, there you go again. Property is the way forward. Property is what makes you able to afford the luxuries in life. Property is where the real wealth is. You need to get involved in property at some level. I can teach you how to earn £10,000 a month very easily, where you don't have to go above and beyond, where you can do it with your 9 to 5 job as a side hustle. You just need to join the property circle, get down to my next event on December the 12th, where I will teach you how to make £10,000 a month, and you can actually start buying luxuries like this. I am very blessed. I am very fortunate but I've put the effort in. I took the first step. I understand what you need to do in order to make this kind of money. I can teach you how to do it, and I can change your life. See you guys on the 12th of December.